Either way, you have a bad valve stem and you need to figure out which one, replace it before you charge the system. Why is this system so important to make sure that we can hold the vacuum? Let's go ahead and cover that real quick. The reason that it needs to hold a vacuum is air does take up the same space as Freon. When you choose to ignore that and just put a can in, you're fighting a system that might already be half full. In order to make sure that your repair is successful, you need to draw the vacuum on it like we did right here. What do you need to do that? Well, simply you need the pump. You need these manifold gauges behind you, and you need to hook them up to your high side and your low side of your air conditioning. So on your AC lines, usually located on this side of the vehicle, you will find caps that say H and L on it. The L will be a smaller one, the H will be a bigger one. You need to remove those caps, put the couplers on it, and pull that vacuum. When you pull out that air, you're giving all the space that's inside that system for the Freon. And this is how you make your AC systems really, really cold. Is if you don't draw a vacuum on it, it will not get cold. Give me ones if that made sense to you guys. Twos if not, and then tell me why. Really wanted to make that nice and clear for you guys so that you guys understood the AC system. This is one system that you need to make sure you do it right. Otherwise, you have failures. And failures means that your AC is not going to work, you're wasting Freon, and you're still going to have to evacuate the system again to work on it. So that's why this is an important process to verify that this is working. We have not lost a single pound. That is a really, really good sign. Awesome. So what I'm doing for you guys now is I'm kind of working behind the scenes here. I need to grab my charging hose to charge the system. And then I'm going to start setting up to get ready to charge this. Okay. So this is what our charging hose looks like.